Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check your purchasing power on Affirm. First, open the Affirm app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app loads, you will land on the home screen. Now look at the top section of the home page. In most cases, you will see your purchasing power shown right there. It is usually displayed as a dollar amount. This number tells you how much you may be able to spend using Affirm. This is your purchasing power. If you do not see a number at the top, do not worry. Sometimes, instead of showing the amount directly, the app will display a button or message that says "Check my purchasing power." This means you need to take one extra step to view it. Go ahead and tap on that option. After you tap it, the app will take a moment to load your information. Then it will show your purchasing power on the screen. This is the amount you are currently eligible to use. Keep in mind that this number can change over time. It depends on factors like your payment history and account activity. Thanks for watching.